So this foldable tabletop item board is the Rebird from Amazon. And it came with the box, and then it was whole packed in a plastic bag, and I just opened it. So this looks nice. It's portable, so you can take it anywhere. And then when you open it, there's this one to keep it connected. One thing that I realized is this is hard to connect. You kind of really need to push it harder. Here you go. And then open the legs. And then ta-da. And then you can open up here as well to put the item. But overall, looks good.